Hey, it's Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at infrastructure lifecycle. So, what is infrastructure lifecycle? It's the idea of having clearly defined and distinct work phases, which are used by DevOps engineers to plan, design, build, test, deliver, maintain, and retire cloud infrastructure. When we're talking about like SDLC, so software development lifecycle, there's usually a really great visual that I can show for you. But for infrastructure lifecycle, especially cloud infrastructure lifecycle, there isn't something that is well defined, which is weird by the definition, but I think that there's just nobody's agreed upon one yet, or nobody's made the graphic yet. So I just don't have anything to show you for that, but I just want you to get familiar with the term infrastructure lifecycle because you're likely to hear it again. But one particular infrastructure lifecycle that is pretty common is ones that talk about day zero, day one, and day two. So the idea here is this is a simplified way to describe phases of infrastructure lifecycle. So when we say we are on day zero, we are planning and designing our infrastructure. On day one, we are developing and iterating it. So we might be, deploying or provisioning it and actually testing it in the cloud. And then day two is actually when we go live with real production users and maintain it. And the idea of mentioning day 0, 1, and 2 is to say, well, when does IAC start? And the idea is it starts on day 0, okay? The days do not literally mean a 24-hour day. It's just a broad way of defining where in the infrastructure project we would be, okay?